happy to announce the release of the Powercall UDX7 Fierstien brand emergency siren. The unit has all your favorite tones that you've seen on the previous DX unit, but has a brand new wail and a brand new Yelp sound that sounds just like the PA300. All of our units have a 2-year parts warranty. The dimensions and specifications for our unit can be found on our website by going to powercallsirens.com and clicking on the UDX7 link on the front page of the website. The Powercall UDX7 is only $319.99, just like our previous DX unit, and is in stock and available for immediate shipping. You can visit our website at www.powercallsirens.com and click on the UDX7 link for more information or to place an order for your UDX7 siren today.